In automotive CFD, speed and repeatability are everything. With our database visualization tool, Tecplot Chorus, you can instantly organize hundreds of results files, filter them, and isolate the cases you care about without losing time to manual file management. Once you've down-selected to your cases of interest, Chorus connects to our intuitive Python API, PyTecplot. With a single script, you can automate the difference computation between every design variation and a baseline case. Finally, our core visualization and analysis tool, Tecplot 360, lets you visualize those differences with side-by-side contour plots of the calculated delta. The quantitative impact of each design change stands out clearly and can guide decisions about which design parameters to explore more fully. Need precise numbers? Probe any point on the surface to see exact difference values. No guesswork, no approximation, just hard data. With Tecplot, you can compare your results quantitatively across every design, with more speed and repeatability than competing tools. Try Tecplot today.